Your package is already here.
Wow, that was fast. These are dresses for my Barbies. Finally, are they made of paper? Hey, stop it! They don't fit my dolls. Nope, not right at all.
Oh no!
My Barbies will have no outfits.
Lali, don't be upset. We can make awesome looks ourselves.
But I only have $1.
I'll trade your $1 for 100.
Wow, great deal!
Let's do a best makeover challenge. The loser gets covered in slime. And our subscribers will choose the winner. Pick a doll.
Slime? Uh-oh. I'll take this one.
Let's start our $1 makeover. Where do I start? Okay, I already have a checklist. First, the dress. I need to think what I can buy for $1. Oh, got it! I can use some old shorts. Turn them inside out and cut them with scissors. Phew, that's a bit tough. Now I've got this little piece of fabric. Turn it into a skirt. I mark where the seams will go with a pen. Yep. Now down from one side and the other. Great. Time to trim it. Carefully. This edge needs to be folded. I'll pick a bright yellow thread. Stitch it neatly and gather the fabric. Now I fold it in half and sew right here. Easy peasy. Time to flip it right side out. I put it on the doll. Secure it with Velcro so it stays in place. I pull out threads along the edges to make fringe. Gently. I stitched right here so the fabric won't unravel further. And decorate the hem with daisies. I'll need white thread for the petals. Tightening it. Now yellow for the center. Looks super stylish. The skirt is ready. Moving on to the top. I'm marking the crop top with a marker. Like this. Pop! Got the pattern. Cutting the piece from the same denim fabric. Carefully sewing the pieces together. Decorating with white stitching. Fraying the trim along the edge. Trying the top on the doll. Making straps from thread. And tying them into a bow. The top is done, the skirt too, but it's missing a belt. Let me check my pencil case for something fitting. Oh, a pony! Will you help me with the decor? I need lots of bright little things.
I know exactly what you need.
Wow!
Thank you! Stringing beads onto a thread. Tying the belt around the waist. Done! A cute bear-shaped buckle. An adorable matching choker. Golden sandals for the feet. Gorgeous! You look amazing! Perfect, first task complete.
And this was for $1? It turned out so cool. I need to come up with something fast so I don't get slimed. So pretty girl, are you ready? Let's make you a stunning $100 look.
Yeah!
Dress made of pure gold. Ooh. Did you really believe that? Oh, wow, I can't. That's hilarious. Oh, just kidding. I'll place an order now. Luxury materials 1 and 2. Let's get started. First, lay out the fabric and cut it. Nice and neat. Like this. Attaching strips here. Applying glue to secure our top. Pop! But something's missing. Right, I still have accessories. A fancy bracelet goes right here.
Yeah.
That's it. Where should I place the flowers? Oh, right here. And I'll glue everything in place. Pop! Not bad, but it needs more volume. Yes, tulle is perfect. Cutting it. Now we've got a train. But what about the shoes?
Huh?
Let's add glitter. Don't hold back. And cure it with UV light. The outfit is stunning. Total luxe. Checking off the first task. Done! Great, but the hairstyle isn't it. I'll fix that right now. Just a sec.
Hey, Lali, it's actually my turn.
Fine. By the way, check out my look.
Wow!
Ooh, shiny and pretty. Pure luxury.
Yep, I'm definitely winning. No peeking, LaLiLu. Go make your own look.
Okay. Yeah, the hair isn't great. What can I do? First, I'll undo this braid. Cut the elastic and see what I'm working with. The hair needs a wash to remove the creases.
Hurry up, let's go.
Setting the doll. Wetting the head. Lathering with shampoo. Rinsing thoroughly. Time to blow dry. Gently brushing. Making ponytails and tying bows. Weaving ribbons into the braids. So cute. Decorating with flower clips. Trimming the bangs a little. Time for a change. The hairstyle is ready. Next up, makeup. Applying bright yellow eyeliner. Painting blue eyes. Adding a touch of blush to the cheeks. Using a fine brush to add freckles. Oh, such a sweet, sunny beauty. Oh, I love the result. Perfect. Checking off the second task.
Ready for a slime bath? How did you even do that?
What are you saying? So, who's getting slimed now?
No! I'm not done yet. I have to win. I need to give it my all. Let's start with a haircut. Say goodbye to the old look.
That's a big change.
My Barbie will shine. Applying hot glue and sticking on diamond chains. Hair made of pure gold. See? Now for golden makeup. I've got stickers here. They'll look amazing right here and right here. And more sparkles. My glitter. Yay, super fancy makeup and hairstyle are ready. Checking it off.
Are you done already?
2 tasks left.
Gotta hurry.
Bye-bye.
Next are accessories. What can I make them from? I've only got trash materials. Okay, this bottle might work. Taking off the cap. Pop. Putting the halves together. Marking a rectangle.
Good.
Cutting it out with a knife. I'll make a handle from the plastic ring. Nice. Pressing it a bit. Got a cool bag. Now to decorate it. I have labels with Mira and Abby. Cutting out their portraits. Applying glue stick on the back. Sticking them onto the bag. Mira on one side and Abby on the other. I'll put a comb, powder, and a palette inside. All the essentials. Here you go, pretty. Let me fix your bangs a bit. Perfect. Great, checking off the third task. Oh, I need to call Lali. Hey, bestie.
Huh?
We're done with the accessories.
Gotta run. How do I outdo LaLiLu? What can I come up with? The hand is not sparkling yet. Let me check my pockets. Come on! Oh, got an idea. A spring. I'll make a bracelet from it. Bending it with round pliers. Voila! Snipping the extra with cutters.
Let's go.
Phew, handled it. What else? I got an amazing idea. I'll decorate the look with flowers. A bit of glue. Pop. Leave a comment if you like me and my looks.
Voila, the golden Barbie look is ready. Amazing.
Checking off the third task. Done. Gotta take a photo of this beauty. Smile. This is definitely a new trend.
So, we've got one last task. A secret one. Pop. Hey, I said pop. Oh, not working. I'll try a brush. And a scooter. Wow, what if I make it from this brush? Everyone has one at home. Filling the bristles with hot glue. Great, it's already hardened. Next, I'll need paper tape. Wrapping the brush carefully. Wooden sticks. Pop. Assembling the base. Attaching the handlebars on top. Almost done, but it needs wheels. Cutting a wooden skewer. Putting on cap wheels. Ready to install. It rolls, yay! Whee! A decoration would fit perfectly here. Folding a strip of colored paper. Follow me corner by corner. Cutting off the extra. Tucking the edge into the pocket. Folding in the center. Trimming the sides. Carefully. Got a heart!
Oh my goodness.
So cool! Whee! Hey, Lali, how do you like our transport?
Huh? We're not done yet? I already completed all the tasks.
What about the secret one?
Right, how do I open it? Oh, nothing works. This should help. Come on! Huh? Didn't work? What is this?
Lali, here's your secret task. Car.
Oh, yes. Time to pimp this ride.
Nice.
Covering it with double-sided tape and peeling off the backing. Voila!
Now I need golden wrapping paper.
And bam! I'll crumple it a bit for texture. Then trim the excess. Perfect! Decorating with little balloons. Super duper! Golden beads. Some glitter. Well, does it look amazing? Something's missing. The signature Barbie logo. And the cherry on top. So, shall we take a ride?
Woohoo!
Pedal to the metal! Oh right, I forgot Barbie! Pretty girl, hop in! Yeah!
Tell us in the comments which outfit was your favorite. Let's see who wins this challenge.